So what had we done?
The questions of the poem, first, second, and third.
The questions of
All the 3 poems.
we had done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now children, listen, we are going to have the quarterlies in the month of August, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe at the end we might have, okay? So I'm going to give you at least 4 chapters in the quarterlies, 4 or maybe 5 chapters in the quarterlies. Enough?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
And the 3 chapters, they have been cut, as you know, Poets and Pancake, the interview and going places. And the roadside
Yes,
stand
ma'am.
poem, it has
Yes,
been
ma'am.
done by CBSE.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the other book, Vistas, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood. 3 chapters are not coming. Okay?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So now these chapters were very well understood by you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And listen, children, now every Friday I'm going to take your test. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yeah,
how?
ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to give you a test.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, Vajanti. Yes, Vajanti, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. I said sure, ma'am.
And that will be again an online test. It will be okay. You are going to turn on your videos. I'll give you the questions. You write down the answers. Okay. And then I'll narrate the answers to you and you may check it on your own and you may do your self-assessment. Okay. Assess
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. Right? Maybe descriptive I can give you or maybe multiple choice. Or maybe one word answers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So the last lesson, it was clear to everybody?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Who is the narrator in this chapter?
I'm
Alfonso Daudet.
Hmm?
Ma'am, the
Alfonso Daudet.
author, Anis Jung.
No, ma'am. Alfonso Daudet.
Anushka,
Alfonso
talking
Daudet.
about the last
Alfonso
lesson,
Daudet.
that is the first chapter of Flamingo.
Alfonso Daudet.
He is the narrator. No, Yashashvi.
No, ma'am, children who was not
A child.
interested in studies.
Okay, okay, very good. What was the name of that child?
Friends. The Little Friends.
Ma'am, friends.
Friends was the name of the child. Why was he not interested to go to school that particular day?
Ma'am,
he
because
Because
he
he
did
was
not
not completed his
complete
homework.
his homework.
Okay, because he had not completed his homework. Okay, what was the homework given to him?
Ma'am, the
To learn the rules of
participles.
participles.
Yes,
The
Ma'am,
rules
to
of
learn the
participles.
participles.
yes, he was supposed to learn the rules of the participles, right? So what did he think? What did he think?
He thought that
Go away from
he
school.
was
Not to
scolded
go.
by the teacher.
Okay, and
Ma'am, he thought that it is
He-
better to spend a
Join the
day
class and
okay,
to enjoy the day.
if anybody
because it
speaks,
was a bright day.
it was a bright day. Okay, and what other things
And
tempted him to stay out?
ma'am,
The chirping of the birds and the weather outside attracted him more than the class.
Okay, it was a bright day, right? Then the birds were chirping at the edge of the wood. The Prussian soldiers were drilling. Okay, they were practicing for the war. So all these things tempted little friends to remain out. Okay. Did he really bunk the school?
No, ma'am.
No,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
What did he do?
Instead of bunk the school, he goes to school.
Yes. Okay. He
Yes,
had the
ma'am.
strength to resist, to control his emotions. Okay. To overcome this temptation, and he just decided to move on to his school. Right? So when
Yes,
he
ma'am.
was
Yes, ma'am.
going to his school, he came across a bulletin board and lot of crowd was there. Okay. A big crowd was standing there. Why?
And because some news has,
Okay.
the bad news
1
has been
minute,
put up on the
Vijayalakshmi.
bulletin
1
board.
minute. See,
Okay, ma'am.
many participants are there, many students are there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm asking each one of them. I know you people know it very well, but what about others? They must come out with the answers, beta. See, so many students are there. Darshita, Dheeraj, Ghanshyam, Komal, Lakshay, Muskan, Nikhil, Payal is answering. Payal Rawat, Pulkit, Radhika, Ronak, Saloni. Come out with the answers, and if you do not know, just let me know. I'll tell you what was the reason. Why do you hesitate? See the marks of quarterlies and half-yearlies. You know, assessment would be done, and as you know it very well now, 20 marks are sent from the school. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
on the basis of your or your assignments that you are doing, plus the quarterly and the half-yearly marks and the pre-boards. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
yes. Now Nikhil has become active. Yes, Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am.
What happens when he come across the bulletin board?
Ma'am, when he come across the bulletin board, he saws that no one is standing there, while on other days there were some peoples who were reading that
Okay,
book.
beta. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. He did not see that nobody was there. Okay. He saw that lot of crowd was there. है ना? And they all were busy reading the bulletin boards. But he was not interested in reading. समझ में आ गया? उसने ऐसा नहीं देखा कि कोई भीड़ नहीं थी, बल्कि देखा कि बहुत भीड़ थी वहां पर. Right? And everybody was reading the bulletin board, लेकिन वो खुद interested नहीं था. क्यों इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था? वो मनी मन वो सोचता है कि फॉर द लास्ट 2 years, यानी 2 years had passed since the war began. Okay, the war had been going on. 1870 में शुरू हो गया था. समझ रहे हो पुलकित आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
71 चल रहा था. तो वो कहता है कि for the last 2 years all the bad news had been pasted, had been coming through this bulletin board. बुलेटिन बोर्ड पे क्या होता है? सारी बैड न्यूज या न्यूज़पेपर्स या जो भी लेटेस्ट न्यूज होती है वो पेस्ट कर दी जाती थी और लोग पढ़ते थे. ओके, सो ही केम टू नो कि ऑल द बैड न्यूज हैड बीन कमिंग from this bulletin board, the laws battles, the draft means the new orders, the laws. Okay, new orders issued by the commanding officer. जो battles वो हारते जा रहे हैं या कोई नए कानून बने, everything it was coming through this board only. तो वो बिना सोचे मतलब अपने आप को ही ओके वो ये बोलता है. He did not stop. और उन लोगों को देखता है. When he sees a big crowd standing in front of the bulletin board, he thinks, okay, and he just talks to himself and he says that what can be the matter now? Now what is the matter? What is the bad news that has been pasted? Why? Because so many people they were standing there. समझ में आया पुलकित?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं था बेटा कोई क्राउड नहीं था, बहुत क्राउड था वहां पर, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, So now, what happens usually when a school begins? What happens? Nikhil?
Ma'am, assemblies are held.
And
Teacher used to take attendance. Teacher used to take attendance, and then he used to start with his topics, daily topics. He used to teach the
lot of
students.
bustling sound is there. The moving of the furniture is there. Okay. The voices of the children, the movement of the students. Okay. Everything is there when the school begins, right? If the
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
small children, they are reading the lessons, then their voices are there. Their voices are chorused, chorus voices. In a unison, yani ek saath they are repeating the lessons, means lot of voices there, right? But what do you find on Sundays and the day the school is off? What do you find? What atmosphere do you see in the school?
Lots of silence.
Almost the school is silent, okay? No moving of the furniture, no voices of the students, right? Nothing could
Yes,
be
ma'am.
heard and it is very, very silent. So what did little friend see when he entered the school?
Ma'am, there is a mischievous silence in the classroom, and everybody who don't used to pay attention.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta,
mic
yes.
problem.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
mic.
Nikhil. Yes, Nikhil.
Ma'am, those who are not attentive in the class always are listening to the teacher very carefully and very attentively,
Mhm.
and nobody's playing. The last benchers are not playing at all. They are also paying attention
Okay,
towards the
okay,
teacher.
fine. It was not a mischievous silence. It was a silence, a very, that created a kind of suspense. Suppose you are late, okay, and you enter the school and you find the school very silent. What happens? You're frightened? You are afraid? Aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
एक डर लगेगा ना तुम्हें कि why the school is so silent, okay? You will be frightened. Similarly, it happens with little friends. When he reaches the school, usually he says the school always began with a bustling sound, the moving of the furniture, the chairs and the desk. Okay. And a lot of noises were there which could be heard in the street. But on that particular day, everything was very silent, bitter. And when he peeped through the window, he saw that everybody was seated. Okay. In the places, he saw all his classmates already in the places, and he saw through the window. Why? Because he did not have this boldness, this dareness to enter the class. Why? As the teacher was very strict. What was the name of the teacher?
Ma'am,
Mr.
Mr. Hamill.
Yes,
Mr.
M.
Hamill.
Hamill. Mr. M. Hamill, he was the teacher and he was very strict, and the children were scared of him. They were afraid of him. So even he did not dare to enter the classroom. He just peeped through the window. And what did he see? That everybody was already there, okay, in the classroom, seated on the places. And M. Hamill, he was just roaming in the class, okay, walking in the class. And he always had a ruler, ruler, you got it, a scale, okay, iron ruler he had, that he used to tap on the furniture. But on that particular day, little friend sees that he had it under his arm. Under his arm, you got it, अपनी बगल में दबाया हुआ था, and he was not tapping it on the furniture. Clear or not? So finally, what happens? Does he enter the class? Did he enter the class, or he goes away from there?
Ma'am, he entered the class.
Ma'am,
entered
he
the-
entered the class.
He was very much frightened. Today, sir is going to give me a nice ruler. Nice ruler, you got it? He's going to give me a nice beating today. But sometimes what happens? You are too much scared, but the reverse happens or not? बहुत डरे
Yes,
हुए
ma'am.
होते, but the reverse,
ma'am.
the opposite thing happens. So similarly, the opposite happens with him. M. Hamel did not utter a single word. Okay, he just saw him and said in a very kind manner, "Ki yes, come inside, little friends, and go to your place quickly. We were just beginning the class without you." Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
what other things did this little child he sees? Okay, what other things this child see when he got control over his fright? जब उसने डर पर काबू पा लिया ना, his fear, you know, when he controlled it. Okay, when he overcame his fear. What did he see? He turned his face in the class. He saw many things that were quite different from other days. What were those things?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
he
the
saw
last
that
benches were
M.
covered by
Hamel
the villagers.
wearing
Acha, two
his
of them are
finest dress.
speaking
Ma'am, the
together. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, beta, 1 minute. See, once I start asking you the questions, that is fine. But many of you leave the class and you move away. 5 students, they have left the class and they have gone. I'm going to mark absent for them. And the marks will be given according to your participation for the online classes. Mind it. There is no need to leave the class and run away. You are not getting any kind of punishment here. Really very shameful this is. If you do not know, better don't answer. If you do not know, better ask the teacher to explain it again. Why to quit the class and just move away from here? Yes, Ronak, can you answer?
Ma'am, which question?
What other things did this little boy he see in the class when he
That
overcame his fear, you know? Okay, he saw many different things. He saw very different atmosphere that day. What was
Yes, ma'am. एक minute.
yes?
School. When school began, there was a great. He could
When
hear that the teacher was last day in the school to teach us because the government said that.
just switch on the video, Ronak. Switch on the video. Your name is Ronak. Your name
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Ronak?
Yes, ma'am.
Name. Okay, fine. Now you answer better.
On that day, the student heard that the teacher was the last day in the school. The government said that this subject is stopped. Don't.
Acha, listen to me. What am I saying? What was the different environment that he notices there in the class? He noticed many different things in the class, na beta? See, he entered the class. He sat down. Anyhow, he controls his fear. He overcame it. So now, when he turns his face, he sees many different things. What were those? Can you remember? What were those? Do you remember beta?
मैम हमने वो क्लास अटेंड नहीं करी थी, लास्ट लेसन वाला चैप्टर
तो
वो
आप
नहीं
तो
करी थी
वीडियो तो देख लेते बेटा, जो मैंने अपलोड करे वीडियो तो देख लो आप, टाइम निकाल के। एग्जाम में आएगा तो क्या करेंगे आप? इतना टाइम है ना हमारे पास वीडियोस देखने का, ठीक है?
मैम।
वीडियोस देखिए। सलोनी महेश्वरी, यू आंसर। सलोनी महेश्वरी।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Saloni.
Yes, ma'am.
You answer it, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Which question?
Which question? Why you are answering so lazily? You don't know what question have I asked? Four or five times I have repeated the question, beta. What was the strange environment, strange atmosphere did he notice in the class? Many surprising things he found. Okay, many surprising things he found there in the class. What were those? Yes, Saloni, hurry up. Saloni.
Yes, ma'am.
What was it, beta?
मैम ये चैप्टर हमने पढ़ा नहीं था,
पढ़ा ही
वीडियो नहीं देखी थी।
बहुत ही बढ़िया। कितनी बार मैं कह रही हूँ वीडियोस ही देख लो मेरे। इतना टाइम भी नहीं है, तुम्हारा ही लॉस है बेटा, मेरा कुछ नहीं है। Important chapters and you people are missing it. देखना वीडियोस देखना, कल वापस से रिवाइज करेंगे हम। ओके?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chapter read करना, and if you fail to understand any of the lines, any of the paras, just come out with the problems. Got everybody?
Yes,
I'm talking to each and everybody, okay? Especially the 12th
Yes,
science
ma'am.
students.
Yes,
समझ
ma'am.
Yes,
गए?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and if you fail to answer anything straightforward, say, ma'am, nahi malum hame.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Better revise
Yes, ma'am.
first and second chapters, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.